na wetimi ato an adwuma so doc minim was it expected? Now I surprised.
It wasn't expected, but I wish Senke be and almost a sign and Kabebwa. That was my personal view.
Okay.
And them say Makika was some radio station, TV stations, Bikakra.
Okay.
On the interview on that. Because there was a parliament nearby and hang parliament, you know. One a positive and one a negative. Now we hang parliament and I was saying it was an experimental parliament. And the GD Senka speaker bit me managing the year. I'm saying say one year, but bit me a model case. He bit me based on that for future parliament say bit me a more opposition I take over. That was what me GD said, because now she a bisada until nanka a ya debia a ya it gives signs say that be an opposition crab parliament crana a buying bit minty parties in Israel be film say no, this will never happen again. Until NDC MPP will be making sure say they will increase their numbers in parliament. Sebe ya they will avoid these hang parliament. They are more either side. And Jidi said no na speaker, even though he's the experienced MP so far, 4 years being speaker in hang parliament, but we the experience of absolute majority obey as speaker. At the same time, no, none of the actions and inactions are portrayed in the hang parliament, and that is what I was fearing for President Mahama in case Omodemana, because when the speaker Bagbin, Speaker Bagbin will be a ono nyadwin or be sure say ono nyadwin, and he can use his position as such, and that is what I'm thinking. Say be in case be on the President Mahama nyadwin will be a certain policy be an issue be a, even though the numbers or whatever no bit me, but bit me impede because I'm in prayer yen can wasema and he can show off because be fan hona ono so the better so at the same time, even though won't mean enka say on penny, but the frustrations can come in when Ojidi say oh no shut down commander, he can frustrate the system. Yes, on timi can say obe on mane masokra, but obetimi a delay a frustrate to say there because you'll be a it's not easy to say or no nyaju issue be one or more far that is maybe concern for President Mahama in case Edemana. And another issue was looking at where I think the leadership in parliament. We should not forget I don't want to play this tribal or whatever, but Omonia careful about how to manage the leadership of the country so that it could be balanced.
But are you talking about MPP and NDC?
The NDC.
Okay.
Yes. So that it will not be seen as a particular group being over the government. We should be very careful, cautious about that.
Oh, okay.
Because there should be that kind of indication at the top.
Okay.
Because Speaker is from the north, President Mahama is from the north. I'm not disputing any capability, but they should manage it way so that the perception that people
almost majority no more confirm say be a winner kwana but different okay maybe PB
and leadership in parliament, you know, apart from the head, you know, speaker, no, and some the parties, you know, leadership majority leader way anyway no more cautious kakra.
You say the MPP the M say ohwemu a ti say bibi sesa no kure omu ne say out and out Ashanti be anywhere owum say my part, in fact, I understand so out and Ashanti, even though MP was Ashanti already, but I'm saying a chief Ribono. That's what I'm. That's what I'm told. Into here, almost side na afenyo marking. Yes, central. Aye, afenyo marking central, and my part, even the Ashanti region, but Bono. And I'm say first and second deputy now, so from one from north, one from a greater.
So I'm trying to let them know so munya caution kakra no balance the issue of our people representations, other tribes, so that a propaganda too, and you know these things are there in politics. Because party be a him na se kwan da baby a ombe use. When the NDC realized leadership no koye Akana, they were using against the party. Emma Novna Bemama diffused that way. And you know, my advice is that
okay.
They should not be. Sometimes you have to sacrifice certain people for the national interest.
Okay.
And I think they should look at that one critically. If not, propaganda will set in on that, and it might not be good for the NDC party as well. Even though you might think say but also it takes time, and what I also try to let them know is they should not underrate the small number the MPP form. They will come on them. They will know that they cannot change. They will only make noise.
Yes. The
NDC should be aware of it. They will disturb them with noise making, coming up with a whole lot of issues which might be true, which might not be true, for you to come and defend. They will disturb them. They should not, because the will be more hot. What about over pass it, but over making sure say a man for being said the other corner and yet as what they call Yakamunti. The propaganda near you need dear
be super papa.
And yeah, I assure you, press conference and the Amazon maybe 24-hour press conference. But they should also be on track and make sure say
all right, my man could preview Thomas, my man could preview Remo to now 2020 so uncle speaker matters are rising. Maintaining my bench so they are.
Well, I think it's a change, Beba.
Oh, okay.
Because most likely, Zebia, after forcing, we go back to finance ministry.
Okay.
I mean, case only echo, but most likely, we're one of the Nipa on Betimako.
I see.
I mean, Kaubusamia, my preference for the finance minister will be Setepe.
Setepe.
But I'm not your Mahama.
Nancy Mokokan, yeah, my your Mahama Kwaberi active.
No. But me not your Mahama. No, my turn. And your friend is saying, NDC, there was a track record when it comes to having numbers in parliament. Let me say, I changed the Ghana for the in 92 to 93. Almost, number now, so now 200.
In fact, 92, now 189 against 200.
Yes, 189.
You are one out of 200. 180 out of 200. Yeah. 189.
Yes. No. Abrosa Waramba.
189 out of 200. No, Bakupe. Yeah, so that could be one have to be 189.
Yes.
I see.
But where's our record I wanna? Once that time, you are misbehaving. And I refuse. MPs and Kwan say, not almost down to Nanakano, behind my woman. Cast a cranny, Mama, she came a cotos and hand cast on me then. No more issue. Young Buru, Sir, left, center, right, Basani view. And when it comes to say, will be any numbers no parliament, and this we have a track record. You put it in there. Yes, and maybe. Yes, we have the numbers, but there's no way say you put it for a friend my minority for also. In fact, I can even say work out I require a burden because we are going to work with them. Baby, I got a do. Won't you mean because our numbers since you won't know money then? Won't know money.
Okay.
You know, be a mabu. Now, you know, people for ya, baby, and a home rasses and then says no buy and a cotton make a Sabram Toka you, Pigeon.
96.
Yes.
Wow.
Baby and home rasses on the kind one explanation as I said. Of course, we won't say you really didn't think it is an uncle Concatina Island, a peja. So, and in Magana Nibia musician, your track record no. In your numbers, not your misbehaving. The year Juman said it's here then, a tear. A man say be a day, a tough, but an echo for the what's happened apart from commissioning. Now, a benisha. Oh, and simple as kind what she was jay saying. Import covers for 8 points,
something billion,
was 8.6
billion, dollars.
Yeah, when I said, yes, our economists in my idea. We are always concerned about the net value of fine say reserves the net value no a da ho pa no less than 5 million 5 billion about 4.2 oh and it has ina on ba first no more cover rebate figures no more yes and man wonya says ka we ena Ghana ha bia wonya sa na we now is Ghana is no book or something because ade action yen konko tue ka no oh
wow
will be a wonya broke and we are that research na here twamwe
marketing
oh no,
anyway
and I'm saying one church mu ya no because I say work on kwa na police give to one mu so ba 150 ama
this is no
wow
this is nanado the good side
and